Dear all, we started the class today with advice to all the students that they should log in through the official email ID only, as that would allow seamless entry to class rather than for a faculty to admit them. I took questions asked to me the previous day about personally defining leadership. I also replied a question on the poem Ulysses by Tennyson. I answered a question on stanza of Gita I was asked. I also talked about Johari window. We carried forward the presentation and discussed how, etymologically, there is a similarity between words passion and patience because both are associated with suffering. I gave examples of SLS students who had the courage to do different and persisted and achieved happiness. We discussed the example of death in life and how our passion keeps propelling us for bettering ourselves. I gave example of Sphinx and Oedipus and Yudhishthir and Yaksh. I also told you the story of falcon whose branch was cut. We discussed how perseverance is being satisfied at being unsatisfied. We attribute others' success to luck and talent, but often forget or don't know the struggle and efforts put by them. It's always about sweat, not swag, and character, not charisma. We took examples of Woody Allen, who advised budding writers to start writing if they want to publish. We discussed Will Smith, who talked about being on the treadmill longer than others. We understood that talent along with efforts results in skill, and skill along with efforts results in achievement. I told you about Angela Duckworth's advice to a budding entrepreneur that it's not about falling in love with what you do, but staying constant in love too. I gave example of Git Sethi's speech at Sept, wherein he explained how his father helped him keep humility after every success. At the end, I was asked what would be my opinion on importance of talent and grit, and I replied that grit matters more as many successful people have suddenly lost their way. We had a busy week. Relax and introspect on all the points discussed. Take care and see you next week in a class. Goodbye.